In front of me is AGM H6, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called DevCheck device and system info from Flare to Developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, open it, and thanks to it, read all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Quick tip: go into dashboard and make sure to tap on all of those sections to get all the information. If you want, you can even hit settings at the bottom right corner of each one, and this way get access to all of those informations in your device's settings instantly. You can also do that by clicking on gear icons at the top right corners of some of those sections, like operating system. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!